All right, here we go. You ready? Now, I've done a still picture once before of my spice cabinet, but I'm about ready to open my spice cabinet. We're playing Show Me Your Spice Cabinet or your spice rack, and I'm kind of embarrassed, but I'm going to show it to you right now. This is my, this is crazy. I have it so packed in here, I got to step back. Look at that. I mean, everything's in there. It's crazy. And everybody's got to have this Lazy Susan here, this thing that rotates, right? And as you rotate it, things get knocked over, and it never rotates well. It's just, things are crazy. Okay, now here's what I want you to do. I want you to show me your spice rack or cabinet, okay? And I want you to also show me one thing in there that you don't think anybody else has. I'm going to show you right now. You guys may have this. I use this in my I use it once a year in my Thanksgiving stuffing. Okay, there it is. It's called, what's it called? Marjoram leaves. Okay, it's just a seasoning. I don't think anybody has that. Show me your spice cabinet and show me one thing in your spice cabinet you don't think anybody has. And be sure to post it for me. I want to see photographs on Facebook.com/CookingWithJack. And I want to see video on YouTube if you want to respond to this video. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.